Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an awesome day. I'm Saksham Sharma for those who didn't know that, and as the video title says, this is a channel trailer for my channel, or you can say a very short video or like a really quick video about my channel and about me. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about me first and then my channel. I live in Toronto, Ontario, and I'm a university student. I love making tech tutorials, so the ones you have already seen on the channel, and if you're new, then I just make tech tutorials, tips and tricks and all that stuff. Along with making videos or tech tutorials, I also love photography, so here are just some of my shots, recent shots that I took about a week ago. Apart from photography and making tech tutorials for YouTube or just for me, I also like to code, so mainly for Apple App Store in Xcode. I do web designing and also graphic designing. So now for my channel, it didn't really originally started with my name. It was actually called Reliable Tech, and I changed the name recently about a few months ago, and if you want to know why, I will just put a link on those white tags. If I have to put the channel in like one word, then I would just say it's a tech channel, and I'm slowly moving into like a my channel where I just don't make tutorials. I will also be doing unboxing, product reviews and such. I do tend to focus lots on Apple products, but I'm open, so I do other stuff too. I will be coming out with new content every Thursday, but honestly, I'm not really that perfect at hitting that mark. So it's a great idea to press that subscribe button. That way you get notified every time I come out with a new content. You could also follow me on Instagram or Twitter if you like that. I will put the link in the description below. Other than that, that's mainly it for my channel trailer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.